Batisi TV, Lawan Rashipi Daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sport Scooter Aerox 155, Ringkat Bakanet Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobying Jompi.
Tnat Public Health Engineering jong Sarkar Jela Kalabu ya Thong, Ïeng Skhem Triang Pyndep ya Jing Pentrekam ya Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme Phase 3. How Nohprah mentau senam arjar arpuar. Hak jing akran bigilat patai kubuar hak khanyo terik nai Ïeng arjar arpuar. Uba renekton lingdo tongkhar ulai thu bagi kontraktor kila menjur Pyndep ya kene kam how benai Nohprah arjar arpuar. Ulo ongru ba walla usngu thu bah ya jing bagi kontraktor kia kendu mau siang hak ba pentelun ya kene skim sam umbam umdi hak nong ba shlong. Anlai walla kata ulo ong. Baka Tnat PHE kan sampai ingor bah. Baka jingti yaki surok mantap yaki pipe on sa Pyndep no kham kloy kat bala.
Even though work is still in progress, we really want to inaugurate within this year. But I don't know what will happen since we have seen that there's lots of pending work is going on. So we have not surrendered the target to complete by December itself. So let's see what we can do. As you all see on the road, digging of road, and then problems, settlement between the two departments, PHE and PLUD, and then even the locality. Sometimes they are not allowed to dig the road, to damage the footpath. So all these hurdles are there, and settling down, it takes time. So these are one of the main reasons. Because I told you that contractors, they came to me here, I called all of them, they came and they have agreed with me that they will complete the work well before December. But after that I have not called them. I still hope that they will try their best to complete. I have told them also that we understand that we will meet several challenges while executing the work. There will be problems here and there, but I have request them to really walk an extra mile, to put all the effort to find the solution, whether it is with the local bodies, with the villages, or with the departments. I have requested them to find a way out to settle, and if required, they can let me know if required to intervene at my level. But nobody comes to me about that problem, and I wish that they are doing good. And I still hope that they'll be able to complete by the end. I have not taken the details, I don't have with me, but you have seen that they have dug the road everywhere. And lots of complaints also from people that the road, especially like Maulai area, it's damaged the entire area of Maulai. So lots of complaints from people as well. We have seen also in Shillong so many places that digging of road has taken place. So I don't have the exact area where we still need to be taken the report exact first day as of now.